happy 10th year anniversary po.
Grabe!
Dahil ng global po, napaka number 1 sa ating buong mundo. Good morning!
Grabe po, in global, subukan nyo, walang mawala. Ikaw na susunod, maging mayroon sa global. Power! In global power!
Tayo ay bagong bayani ng ating bayan.
Only the opportunity and the willingness to become a force of good in this world. You are indeed a hero.
Don't ever wait for a perfect moment. Take that moment and make it perfect. Good morning! When you believe 100%. Not even a single doubt. Believe with all your heart. Believe with all your mind. Believe with all your soul. Now it's easier for you to become a multi-millionaire. We will journey again for the next 10 years. Are you with us? Are you with us? What this day, momentum years, aim will be the next MLM Giant! Let us continue to be a blessing to others. Let us continue helping those who would want to be helped through AIM World and AIM Global.